Now, there are two kinds of working hard. You can work hard, you can work smart, or you can work dumb. When I was in 6th grade, my dad dumped a pile of bricks in the backyard, and after school, he had us me and my brothers move the bricks to the side yard. The next day, he had us move them back to the backyard. The next day, back to the side yard, and so forth. This continued for quite a while. I'm not sure what he intended by this, but I did learn that hard work, for hard work's sake alone, would not do. Later, in observing the tenure system so endemic to academic ventures, I would think to myself, hey, they're just moving a pile of bricks. In fact, I began to doubt traditional education. I committed myself to educating myself as opportunities arose. Still, as I graduated from UCLA, I headed to Vanderbilt Medical School. I had read Liar's Poker by Michael Lewis, and it nearly convinced me that even if I could become a great money manager, I shouldn't. Besides, medicine appeared just. My interest in medicine would fade, however, as I studied the economics and regulation of healthcare while in Chicago in 1994. The government payer would weigh far too heavily on that playing field, and I did not think it would be fair enough. So during medical school, I put up a website, some ideas on stocks and markets. As I graduated medical school in 1997, Microsoft, out of the blue, offered me $1 a word to write for the new MSN Money website. Being wordy and being in debt, naturally I said yes. So therefore, during my medicine internship, I wrote for Microsoft and ran my website. There were synergies between two of the three, and I had unknowingly found a back door to Wall Street. None of this was nearly as well planned as it seems in retrospect. There were a number of crises, including a divorce, and at one point I was so despondent over my direction that I even applied to law school. Again and again, I figured as long as I kept asking questions, working so hard to answer questions, I would eventually find my way. As I turned 29, I ran out of reasons why I couldn't or shouldn't and left medicine to start an investment firm. At that point, the decision came very easily.